yan?
Botohan ng Senator.
I just want to be independent because, I just want to be, as always, my independence is very important to me. I can vote on any decision on the Senate. Of course, I was against the leadership change and to move for the positions vacant. Against ako doon. Pero pagdating sa gusto ko independent na ako. Kami ni JV will just be independent.
So, gulat kayo kanina, no? Wala kayong inkling
Been there, done that. Nangyari din yan sa akin. So, ang akin lang naman wala. Malinis naman ang konsensya namin. We're doing a great job, I think, service to the people. And we're just, of course, we are at the pleasure of our colleagues, I always say.
So, bakit hindi kayo nag-attend sa session ngayon? At valid ba yung kanilang mga inaaprobahan, yung pagsasession nila kahit isa from the
Hindi nga, kaya request muna namin dun sa mga motions to amend the rules, wag muna kasi that takes at least 1 day tas to be presented. 1 day, kailangan dumaan ng committee on rules yan, and hindi pa nako-constitute yung committee on rules. So, I think sabi ko sa kanila kanina na rest muna, relax muna kasi we have to follow procedures and rules. We cannot shortcut the rules of the Senate.
Paano yung inaprubahan nila, sir, na under Senate Protective Custody na si Senator Bato at contempt na itong mga nanghabol kay Senator Bato?
Well, could fall to a possible constitutional crisis. I mean,
Because?
because the executive may think of it differently, and of course, the legislative, particularly the Senate, will also come out with a different outcome. So, I hope cooler heads will prevail, and I wish them luck.
Pero
Cheers!
sir, pero valid ba yun, sir, yung decision na yun? Yung approval ng, pero valid ba yun, sir? Kasi nag-session, sir, yung approval ng motion, walang minority senators, majority lang yun nandun. Valid ba yun?
Pero di naman, pumayag naman si Alan na wag niya itakal muna. Pumayag naman siya. Sabi niya, hindi muna nila i-approve yung rules. Amendment to the
sir,
rules.
no, not the rules, sir. Inaprubahan po na under protective custody na ng Senate si Senator Bato and contempt yung mga
And
nanghabol.
even if we were there, they would have outvoted us. So, okay lang. I mean, ganun talaga ang politics.
Hindi nyo nako-questionin yun, sir. Valid pa rin yun.
Pwede po bukas. We'll see. Thank you guys. Thank you.